My grandmother taught me that cheap sugar ruins cake. But what she really taught me was about the quality of love and resilience. Baking has always been a part of my life, a safe space, a tradition passed down from my grandma Laura and her mother, my great grandma Elise. From about 7 on, I was in the kitchen with them. At first, easy jobs like wiping up the messes, stirring the cornbread, rolling out the sweet potato biscuit dough, and creating something beautiful with my hands. Maybe this is strange to you, but my grandma Laura was my best friend. Those moments in the kitchen with her were filled with unconditional love, planting seeds for everything I've done since. So, as you can imagine, when she passed, my heart sank. And that loss has really followed me. I guess I've carried that grief in my spirit and on my heart ever since. So by the time I suffered my own infertility issues and baby loss and divorce, I was done. I felt shattered and I could barely function, right? It was really in the depths of my grief that I turned to baking like I'd never had before. I baked continuously. It was like I was seeking comfort, right? I was seeking the comfort and the love that my grandmothers had always given me. And for some of us in grief, especially folks who've experienced miscarriages and infertility and baby loss, right? Well, at least for me, I blamed myself. It's my body after all, right? That couldn't hold this baby. So it's got to be my fault, right? And so then I need to suffer, right? What's that song? My grandma prayed for me, or somebody prayed for me, something like that. I really do think though that it's the ancestors' prayers long before we existed that still persist, because it was my grandmother's. It's like that saved me. It was like a whisper that allowed me to gift love through my pastries and baked goods to other folks. It was as if I was back in their kitchens, feeling their presence and wisdom guiding me through some of the darkest moments of my life. Baking became my solace, my connection to love and healing. Through this journey, I discovered that baking could nourish the spirit and provide solace during times of grief and loss. So I began to reimagine baking and cooking and all things kitchen stuff as a catalyst for healing and renewal. Food became a source of comfort and revival, empowering me to embrace its restorative power. Emotional resilience is about facing life's challenges head on without shortcuts. Just like baking a perfect pound cake requires quality ingredients and patience, building resilience requires honesty, self-compassion, and time. Look, thanks for listening, y'all. This is the first of many of my grandmother's Kitchen Wisdom series. I hope this story inspires you to embrace both the sweetness and the challenges of life with resilience and grace.